Let's do this. I've been putting off starting YouTube for a very long time, doubting myself, second guessing everything, waiting for that perfect moment that never came. I came up with every reason not to start, but today I'm done holding back. I'm stepping out, following the nudge I felt for so long. I'm just going to do it. For if you're someone like myself who's been waiting for that perfect moment, I would say start today. Let this video be a nudge. Let this video encourage you, inspire you to start just like I've done. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jane. I'm a wife and a mother to two amazing children. And I'm someone who's worn several hats over the years, from being a UK nurse for over 2 decades and to transitioning into tech. Like I said earlier, I worked within the National Health Service for over 2 decades as a nurse practitioner within the mental health setting. About me, I moved to the UK when I was a lot more younger, without an immediate family, but I was determined to make something out of myself. It wasn't an easy journey, but God sent people my way to support me through the hardest season of my life. Nursing was fulfilling and it was my dream job when I started out about 2 decades ago, but it was also draining. If you know any nurse, they obviously will complain about long hours and missing out on family time. The low pay as well just didn't help with inflation and, a growing family. It was just wasn't sustainable anymore. While working as a nurse, I started to blog about mental health, and I started to get curious about tech. I built my own my own website, and I will write for hours and slowly fell in love with the world of tech. And I soon discovered that I had a transferable skill, and I leaned in. I trained and got certified and eventually landed a remote job as a business analyst within the tech industry. It changed everything for me, financially, the flexibility in terms of having time to, attend to my children, because they were a lot more younger at the time. And, peace. Peace was another thing as well. And it also afforded us the opportunity to do a lot of traveling because that was something that I enjoyed doing. And not only that, soon after that, we were actually privileged because my family members, they moved, relocated to the UK, and it happens that they were moving to Manchester, and you understand how London is a very fast-paced city. We thought it was the best time really for us to move as well, and move closer to our family, and we decided that it was Manchester that we was going to move to, and where obviously we created a life that felt truly like ours. I will share with you guys as well that transition, moving from London to Manchester, what we did, and funny enough, we moved without even seeing the property that was built for us. For years, people would call me during their lowest moment. I listened, I encouraged, and I realized that this was what I'm called to do, helping people through faith, through life, and through change. And I guess it's all stemmed from my training and my experience as a mental health nurse, caring for the very vulnerable people who are experiencing very difficult, things happening to them, and being there for them. Enough about me. Just going to share with you guys what this channel is about. So, this channel is about real life, career, home, and lifestyle, as well as traveling, if you're somebody that enjoy that as well, and also finding your purpose. I'm going to be sharing how I move from burnt out to a balance and how you can do that too. So I often would share home decor ideas and routines as well, and to mindset shift. So you find that in this channel. So stay put. I'm still growing, I'm still figuring things out, but I'm here and I'm committed. If you're ready to grow, please subscribe and let's do this together. Thank you so much for being here. It truly means a lot to me. This is just the beginning, and I'm Jane. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment to encourage me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.